video? Yeah? Okay. Hey guys, I'm back, and I will be talking about some stuff you need to do before getting a bird, and like some notes you need to take, and some tips. And I'm going to be doing it for you. He's currently in my room, which is quiet now. Before we start, please like and subscribe for more content like this. I appreciate it. And without further ado, we can go right on. Okay. So, before you want, if you want a bird, you ask your mom. She says yes. But what you need to do first, after asking your mom, you have to do your research. Doing your research for a bird is important because you need to know what type of bird you have to get, or the type of food they need. If they like veggies, they do like some veggies. If they like fruits, yeah, they do like fruits too. I'm not any special vet or anything. You need to do your research. What bird you want, a specific bird, that you would like, and you need to research on what food they eat, how you want to make healthy food for them, and what kind of personas they have, and all that good research and all that stuff. It's good to research before you instantly buy it, because most people, they don't do their research, and I will keep asking you to do this because it's very important. Okay, here's a note. You should get a small bird if you're you should get a small bird when it's your first time owning a bird, because number one, their beak isn't as sharp as the macaws. And number two, small birds are somewhat very social, and they'll make you learn, Okay. So most people do their research, but they buy a macaw as their starter bird. That is actually not a good thing. You cannot buy a macaw, especially if you're if you have delicate fingers and all that stuff, because macaws have at least a 1,200-pound bite. So basically, if they bite you, they'll basically rip your finger off, or whenever they bite, they'll rip it off. And trust me, it isn't pretty. So you should start with a smaller bird, And what you should do, you should prepare a room for them. You should prepare a room or an area for your bird. And you should buy a cage that's big enough for them to roam around, And you should give them some bowls, You should also get a carrier, because if they get sick, you get them to the vet. Yeah, you have to be prepared. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some starter birds for all the people asking. What kind of starter bird should I get? How do I know if it's a starter bird? If you're asking that, then I have some answers for you. So, you know my cocktail Ruby, right? She's a starter bird. And I'm a beginner, kind of newbie owner bird, And I'm gonna name some, starter birds for you guys, for all you newbie owners. So so the first one is a budgie. Budgies are very small. They are perfect for little kids, and they don't really bite hard because they have little beaks. I'll give you a fact about them later on. And then we have the cockatiels. Cockatiels also have small beaks, and they're very social. They love attention, and they love their owners, and they can bond to a lot of people. Ruby bonded to my mom, my dad, and my brother, mostly me and my dad, and she also bonded to Shemin, my cousin. So, cockatiels are really good, and also budgies are really good too. And another beginner bird is the mustache parakeet. I'm gonna have to research some facts about them, but I've heard that they're really good beginner birds, especially for children. Here's a fact about the budgie. If you're looking for a bird, like a beginner bird that can talk well, then a budgie is perfect for you because budgies have really great vocabularies. Like most budgies can put words into sentences, and they can even make sounds if possible. Yeah, budgies are also really social like cockatiels. Most beginner parrots are social. Yeah, you are really. Okay, so here's an important tip. Okay? You should always love your bird the way they are. No matter doesn't matter if they can't talk, they can't really, if they have a disability, if they have feathers plucking out, you should always love them the way they are. So, I've seen videos where people, I've heard about people buying birds because they're like, oh my goodness, birds can talk like the ones on the internet. I really want to get one because of that. But in reality, when they go to get that bird, the birds don't talk, they're messy, they're loud. You can be loud, Ruby. Anyway, they can be messy and loud, and they can really be a pain depending on what they did, what they did before buying the bird, and then after, when they're all screaming, and the person's like, screw it, this bird isn't really what I thought of. I might as well just put it to a sanctuary or just put it back in its cage and never let it out. That's not how you should get a bird. If you want a bird just hear it talk, then I don't think you deserve a bird until you've done your research and realize that not a lot of birds can talk. Macaws can talk, though, but as I said, they have a 1,200-pound bite and they're not a beginner's bird, so you should start off small. That's actually a good tip. Add that to your notes. You should start out small. Always. Always. Okay. So, I guess that wraps up the video. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll give you further notes and tips and facts in the future. Yeah. And hopefully I can upload more, but I'm done with school. All I need to do is my tests. So once I do all my tests and quizzes, I can be uploading more. But videos, in editing, they take a lot of time and effort for me. Maybe not for other YouTubers. I don't know. But give me some time, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe would like to thank you too. Yeah, that's your thank you. Anyways, we'll see you later. Hopefully Ruby will see you a lot. And I'd like to wish you good luck on your bird and your journey. And I hope you'll like them the way they are. And I hope you take good care of them. Anyways, see y'all. Hopefully I can upload more, and goodbye.